How's it going, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We're going to an apartment today and we gotta take a look at a plugged toilet. Let's see what we find. Your toilet's plugged up? Oh, okay. Alright. We're going to be using the auger to try and clear this toilet. Alright, there you go. Just a bit of feces built up in the toilet, and we're going to clean it up and go from there. Alright, there you go, guys. This has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. We're out now.